Hi, my name is Gator Hillard, and I'm here on behalf of Expert Village to talk today about making bread pudding with a bourbon sauce. All right, we're going to move on, talk about the ingredients that we're going to be using today. Today, I'm using a French baguette. You have to usually get these like specialty stores and stuff like that because they don't sell them at like local, but I felt spicy, so that's why I wanted to go ahead and get these. This is like a good alternative to a classical French bread that we use in New Orleans. I mean, it's basically like the same. It's just a little bit smaller. You know, as far as texture and everything, it's great to use. But that's what we're going to be using today. And you could use ciabatta bread. You can use cinnamon rolls, whatever. You know, there's all kinds of various things you can use. I got a cup and a half of milk. You can use like 2%. You can use vitamin D. I really don't prefer to use skim milk because it's just like white water. I'm not going to use it. Sugar. Got 1 cup of sugar. You can use just, you know, I would prefer just use like granulated sugar. You can even use like organic sometimes. That's fine. You just might have to add a little bit more if you're using the organic because it's not as sweet. Cream. Using 3/4 of a cup of cream. It's just a heavy cream. It's a lot easier to go ahead and do this than sit over there and try to whip it yourself. I'm trying to make it easy for you guys. 6 eggs. You're going to use 3 whole in the bowl, and then you're going to use 3 more, but you're going to separate those eggs, and I'll show you how to do that. We got vanilla extract and ground cinnamon, and basically you're going to be using a 4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then just to finish it off, I like to leave my butter out. Like a lot of moms that I know and stuff like that, my mother herself, she does it, is they'll just take butter and they'll leave it out all day because it doesn't really go bad. It's really easy. It softens it up, and you can just throw it into a pot, and it melts really fast. You don't have to worry about anything. It's just working in a restaurant. You learn like shortcuts, and that's what I'm trying to like show you guys today.